Good morning. Expect a similar weather pattern to what we had over the weekend. Afternoon highs will be slightly lower than Sunday for here in the capital, but southern provinces will be hotter under sunny skies throughout the day today. Most parts will have high to very high UV rays, while parts of Gangwon-do Province will have extreme levels during the day, so get under cover when the sun's rays are at their strongest. And air quality will be normal to good, but we will see high ozone levels in some parts of the country, and it can cause harmful health effects, including coughing and sore throat. And as for today's daily highs, Seoul will get up to 26 degrees Celsius. Daegu and Gyeongju will make it to 29 degrees this afternoon, and Busan will be breezier at 24 degrees. Now, rain is in the forecast tomorrow afternoon, which could linger into early Wednesday. Well, temperatures will also gradually rise, but there will not be any major heat wave this week. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for viewers around the world.